Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to clear cache on Candy Crush Soda. Let's begin with the tutorial. Candy Crush Soda doesn't have such as clear cache within itself, but what you can do is by going to settings. Over there, you can search for app. Go to app, then over there you can search or scroll down and search for Candy Crush Soda. Tap on it. Once you get there you can see the option of storage at the bottom. Tap on it. There you can see the option of clear cache. Tap on it. Then there you can see 0 MB of cache is there. Thank you for watching this video. Like this, you can clear your cache. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.